All right, everybody, we're back. We're in the office right now. We're getting ready to give you a kind of an overview on the Campground Master software for campgrounds. I got Angie here. She's going to walk me as well as you through the system in itself. I know a lot, she knows a lot, and I think between the two of us, we can actually give you a lot of information in one stop. We're breaking this out into sections, and I'm trying to make this not too long of a video. Our first item is overview of the system. Campground Master does several different things. First thing it does, most importantly, is a store. It is a point of sale system. The point of sale system, you can enter in all of your inventory items, and basically with that, you can actually track your inventory levels, as well as do it like a cash register. Now, this system in this location does not have the cash drawer tied into the computer, so it's all done manually. It's not very efficient. Also, bear in mind too, when you're doing point of sale systems, this also has reports that you're actually able to come into through transactions and do a cash report, Visa report, MasterCard. So you have basically a Z-out system similar to what a cash register would do. So with that being said, our point of sale system right here, we go into new transaction, we select rate, and basically this is showing all of our items that we currently have in our store. We get a lot of items, more than some, but less than others. Once we select the item that we want to charge the customer in the store, we come over here and choose Add. The Add button will populate down below here, and then once you're done with that and you've added all the items for the cart, you hit Done. Well, if I had put stuff in there, the done items would come here, and at this point it would give them an amount due, including tax. So with the tax, then all that calculated, then what you would need to do is go into a payment option here. In the payment option, it allows you to select MasterCard, Visa, Discover, all those types of credit cards, including cash that you can pay by, and then basically come down here and you would actually put it under, well, ours is tagged as a miscellaneous item, but that's neither here nor there. But right here, you can actually see where you could put in manually the credit card information, or I've got a card scanner down below here on the bottom of the monitor. That way we can scan the card as well. I'm not physically going to do this, but I'm just pointing it out just so that you can see where this is. And again, I'll do it one more time. This cash register right here, go into here, and this shows your inventory. And I'll show you where you put the items in for your inventory later on.